Hi, today in this video you will learn how you can create a timer in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First we create our project. Here I'm selecting empty activity. Click on next, name of your project and click on finish. So here to create a timer, we use a simple timer screen with start, pause and reset button. So here we create a composable method and name this composable method timer example. And now we create a variable time and then create a variable is running. So here we are creating this variable to track whether the timer is currently running or not. And this is a boolean variable. And now we create a variable for start time. Now here we create the variable keyboard controller. So here keyboard controller is an instance of software keyboard controller which is the part of Jetpack Compose UI framework, and it allows you to programmatically control the software keyboard on the device. Now we use column composable to arrange the elements vertically. So here we use modifier to set size and padding. So here first we define the timer. So to define the timer, we create a function that converts the time in milliseconds. So here we create a composable method. So this function converts the time in milliseconds. So here we convert hours, minute and second in milliseconds. And it will return a string in hours, minutes and second format. Now back to the timer example. Here column scope. We use text composable to display the timer. Here we call a format time method and here we pass time. Now you can style the text. Now here we use a spacer composable and this is used to provide the space between the UI elements. Now we use row composable to arrange the button horizontally. So here we use a button composable. So inside this on click, we will check the timer is running or not. Now here we set is running false, else we get the start time. And set is running true. And here we set keyboard control height. Now we will set the bit. Now we set the text for the button. So here we use text composable. If it is running, then we set pause. Otherwise, we set start. Now add some space. So here we use spacer. Now we add a button to reset the timer. So first here we reset the time and set is running false. Now we set the text for the button, or here we use text composable, and we set the text reset. Now we will use Launchpad composable, and this is used to run a coroutine that updates the timer every second while is running is true. Now here we call our method timer example and run the project. Here you can see the output. When I click on start button, the timer has started. Now click on the reset button. So here you can see the timer is reset.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.